All right, guys, here's how we're gonna solve these problems, okay? It's talking about finding the area. We know that area equals length times width. So we know this type of math problem for these questions are gonna be using multiplication, okay? So here it says, Tim wants to paint one side of a door that is 6 1/4 feet tall and 3 feet wide. It wants to know what is the area of the door. So in order to do that, I'm gonna take my length, which is 6 1/4, and I'm gonna multiply it by 3. Well, the way we've practiced that in class is that I'm gonna make this mixed number an improper fraction by going around the world. So I'm gonna start at 4, and I'm gonna come to 6 and multiply. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 gives me 25. So I have 25 over 4. That's an improper fraction. And then I'm gonna multiply by 3. And if I have a whole number of 3, remember, I just simply add a 1 as the denominator, and that's a fraction. 3 is equivalent to 1. And now I can multiply my numerators times my numerators, okay? 25 times 3 is going to be 75, and 4 times 1 is gonna be 4. Guys, this is not my final answer, okay? This is an improper fraction. In order for it to be correct, I have to transfer it, convert it into a mixed number. And to do that, I divide. 75 divided by 4 goes in 1 time. I have 3 left over, 35. 4 goes into 35. How many times? Well, I know that, okay, so here we are, sorry about that. I've got, how many 4s are in 35? Well, I know that that's gonna be 8. 8 times 4 is 32, and that 5 minus 2, right, is gonna be 3 left over. Well, I'm going to simply make a fraction with my leftovers. So these leftovers become my numerator, right? And the denominator is going to be my divisor. So I have a whole number of 18, and I have a leftovers of 3/4. So the answer for this is an area of 18 3/4 feet.